Welcome to this guide on installing the Arnott solenoid valve block for the BMW 5 Series F07 and F11, 7 Series F01 to F04, and the X5 or X6, F15, F16, F85, and the F86. Proper installation is crucial for optimal performance, so let's walk through the steps to ensure a successful setup. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by disabling the air suspension compressor. Now raise the vehicle and remove the air compressor cover panel to gain access to the valve block. Next, remove the air lines from the valve block. Now disconnect the electrical connection. Then remove the valve block bracket screws. Also remove the valve block from the vehicle. The removal is now complete. Do not remove the air fittings from the valve block. Doing so may cause damage and void warranty. Remove the shipping pins from the new air fittings and insert the air lines until fully seated. Tighten all nuts and bolts to manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Start the installation of the new Arnott valve block by installing the new valve block into the vehicle. Also install the provided valve block bracket screws. Now, remove the airline fittings from the air hose and discard. To do this, remove the collet and the remaining fitting will slide off the air hose. Install the airlines. Press in the airlines firmly until they are fully seated. Please note that the blue dot on the valve block corresponds to the blue hose connection. Now reconnect the electrical connection. Then reinstall the compressor cover panel, lower the vehicle, and enable the air suspension compressor. The installation is now complete. Thank you for following our guide on installing an Arnott valve block. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.